Welcome to the April monthly release highlights for Auth0. We'll go over this month's new available features. Let's begin by looking at the generally available features. Actions Real-Time Logs gives developers real-time output from actions, custom database scripts, and custom social connections code when executing console.log and other similar commands. You can use this feature from the Auth0 dashboard. Actions Real-time logs include a new connectivity status indicator for easier visualization of connection state to server stream. New functionalities for on-demand connectivity, easier scrolling, and file downloading, which supplement the already existing ones. It also includes improved user experience. Finally, the Actions documentation also includes a new section for real-time logs. Users can now enroll in Guardian Push directly from their mobile device. No QR code scanning required. Enrollment is supported in both the Guardian app and custom Guardian-powered apps, making setup faster and easier on mobile. Now let's take a look at some early access features. We are excited to announce the early access release of Tenant Access Control Lists, ACL. This feature enables you to define custom rules to allow, block, or redirect requests based on predefined signals, helping you secure and optimize your environment with precision. Tenant Access Control Lists reduces attack surface, blocking malicious traffic before it reaches your tenant. It enhances security, enforcing custom access policies based on IPs, geolocation, user agents, and more. Finally, Tenant Access Control Lists optimizes performance, redirecting traffic efficiently to improve user experience. Token Vault enables your applications to securely access third-party APIs on behalf of your users without requiring you to manage refresh tokens or create custom integrations for a broad range of external APIs and services. Auth0 handles storing and refreshing access tokens from identity providers like Google, GitHub, Microsoft, and more. Your applications can then seamlessly call downstream APIs, such as Google Calendar, GitHub repositories, Microsoft Word, etc. This feature is currently only available for public cloud tenants. We are also pleased to announce additional updates to advanced customizations for Universal Login. Advanced customizations for Universal Login enables you to build custom, client-rendered interfaces for Universal Login screens, allowing you to control every pixel of your Universal Login experience. This release adds support for building custom versions of Universal Login's device authorization screens, the MFA voice, phone, and recovery code screens, and their matching reset password challenge factors, all using the new ACUL SDK. This release also includes many more screens. We are thrilled to introduce the limited early access release of Federated Logout for Okta and OIDC enterprise connections. Auth0 customers now have a straightforward solution to ensure that an end user is logged out of both Auth0 and OIDC IDP sessions via the Auth0 logout endpoint. This feature is built upon the OpenID Connect RP-initiated federated logout specification, allowing customers to effectively mitigate security risks without the need to directly access IDP logout endpoints. Federated logout has already been supported for some IDPs, as well as through the dedicated Google and Microsoft Entra ID connectors. This release expands federated logout capabilities to all OIDC identity providers via the generic OIDC and Okta connectors. To enable the Federated Logout Limited Early Access release in your Auth0 tenant, please contact your technical account manager to request access. Mobile Driver's License Verification Service is now also in limited early access. This enables customers to enrich user profiles with trusted information during sign-up and login flows, as well as perform ad hoc verification and validation checks. Additionally, utilizing a digital credential can streamline processes for businesses and financial institutions while allowing end users more control over their information. With this feature, customers can perform ad hoc mobile driver's license verification requests or integrate them into their existing authorization flows with our Forms widget. Now, let's look at some features that are in developer preview. We're excited to announce Auth for Gen AI, a new offering purpose-built for AI-native, agent-based applications. Auth for Gen AI helps developers securely integrate authentication, API access, and fine-grained authorization into Gen AI-powered apps using industry standards, all wrapped in developer-friendly SDKs. This initial release includes user authentication via universal login with account linking, Token Vault enabling AI agents to call APIs on users' behalf, asynchronous authorization to enable autonomous AI agents to asynchronously ask users for out-of-band authorization on sensitive actions via push notifications, authorization for retrieval augmented generation with resource-level access control powered by Auth0 FGA, support for several SDKs and popular AI frameworks, as well as sample apps, quick starts, and ready-to-use templates. Auth0 MCP server makes tenant management conversational, intuitive, and incredibly efficient for developers. This feature lets developers interface with Auth0 using natural language instead of complex APIs or dashboard navigation, dramatically simplifying tenant management workflows. For instance, developers could simply ask Claude to create a new Auth0 app, deploy a new action, or perform any other supported management operation. This initial release includes support for 20-plus Auth0 management operations, secure authentication, multi-step management workflows, and seamless integrations with native support for Claude Desktop, Windsurf, Cursor, and many other MCP clients. Thanks for viewing the Auth0 monthly release highlights. Information and documentation on the latest updates can be found at auth0.com/changelog.